Welcome to Read, Learn, Listen, the podcast that helps you improve your English through simple stories and shadowing practice. This is a story about two friends. Their names are Laura and Nico. They are young adults. They live in the same city but in different small apartments. They are good friends. They often talk about daily life, weather, and clothes. Laura is a simple person. She likes comfortable clothes. She likes t-shirts, jeans, jackets, and soft shoes. Nico also likes simple clothes. He likes shirts, trousers, and sneakers. They both do not like very fancy clothes. They like comfort every day. Today is Monday. It is the start of a new week. The weather is a little cold in the morning. Laura wakes up in her apartment. She looks outside the window and says, "It is cold today." She walks to her wardrobe. She opens it slowly. She sees many clothes: shirts, t-shirts, jeans, trousers, jackets, and coats. She thinks carefully. Laura says, "I need warm clothes today." She chooses a white t-shirt, a blue shirt, and a warm jacket. She also chooses jeans, socks, and soft shoes. She looks in the mirror and says, "This is good. I feel warm and comfortable." At the same time, Nico wakes up in his apartment. He also looks at the weather. He says, "It is cold this morning." He chooses a gray shirt, black trousers, and a dark jacket. He wears clean shoes and warm socks. Nico says, "Simple clothes are best for work." Laura sends Nico a message. She writes, "Good morning. What are you wearing today?" Nico replies, "I am wearing a shirt, trousers, and a jacket." Laura says, "Me too. It is cold today." They both smile. They are ready for the day. They both like simple clothes. They both like comfortable clothes. Their day is starting slowly, calmly, and with warm clothes. Laura leaves her apartment in the morning. The air is cold outside. She closes her jacket and walks slowly to the bus stop. She says, "The morning is very cold today." She sees many people outside. Some people wear coats, some wear scarves, some wear hats. Everyone looks warm. Laura feels good in her jacket. She thinks, "My jacket is very important today." At the same time, Nico was also walking outside. He is going to work. He wears his jacket and trousers. He feels the cold wind. He says, "This wind is strong." Laura and Nico meet at the bus stop. They smile at each other. Laura says, "Good morning, Nico." Nico says, "Good morning, Laura. You look warm today." Laura laughs and says, "Yes, I am wearing many layers." Nico says, "Me too. Shirt, trousers, jacket." They wait for the bus together. They talk about clothes. Laura says, "I like simple clothes. I feel comfortable." Nico says, "Me too. I do not like complicated clothes." The bus arrives. They get on the bus. They sit near the window. Laura looks outside and sees people walking. Nico looks at his jacket and says, "This jacket is very warm." Laura replies, "Yes, jackets are important in cold weather." They both travel to work. They feel warm, safe, and ready for the day. Their clothes help them feel good in the cold morning. In the afternoon, Laura and Nico are at work. The office is warm. Laura takes off her jacket and hangs it on a chair. She says, "It is warm inside." She wears a white shirt and jeans. She feels comfortable. She works on her computer. She types and answers emails. Nico also takes off his jacket. He wears his shirt and trousers. He says, "I feel better without my jacket." At lunchtime, Laura and Nico meet again in the office kitchen. Laura says, "Now it is warm outside." Nico says, "Yes, I think I do not need my jacket." They go outside together to eat lunch. Laura wears only her shirt and jeans. Nico wears his shirt and trousers. Laura says, "I like this weather. Not too cold, not too hot." Nico says, "Yes, perfect weather." They sit on a bench. They eat simple food. They talk about clothes again. Laura says, "In the morning I was cold. Now I am warm." Nico says, "Weather changes fast." Laura smiles and says, "My clothes changed too." Nico laughs and says, "Yes, jacket on, jacket off." They both feel relaxed. They enjoy their simple life and simple day. They go back to work feeling calm and comfortable. In the evening, Laura finishes work first. She puts on her jacket again. She says, "Evening is cold again." She walks outside. The air is cooler now. She feels happy she has her jacket. She says, "My jacket saves me today." Nico finishes work later. He also puts on his jacket. He says, "Yes, it is cold again." They meet at the bus stop again. Laura says, "Long day today." Nico says, "Yes, but good day." They talk about their clothes. Laura says, "I wore my jacket 3 times today." Nico says, "Me too. Morning, afternoon, evening." They both laugh. On the bus, Laura sits next to Nico. She says, "I feel tired." Nico says, "Me too, but my clothes are comfortable." Laura looks at her jeans and says, "I like simple clothes. They are easy." Nico agrees. He says, "Yes, no stress with simple clothes." They arrive near their homes. Laura says, "See you tomorrow." Nico says, "See you." They go home, take off their jackets, and change into home clothes. Laura wears a soft t-shirt and trousers. Nico wears a simple t-shirt and shorts. They both relax at home and drink tea in their homes. Today is a new day. Laura wakes up early. She feels a little tired. She looks outside her window and says, "The weather is colder today." She opens her wardrobe and thinks carefully. She says, "I need warm clothes." She chooses a warm shirt, jeans, socks, and a thick jacket. She says, "This is good for cold weather." Nico also wakes up. He sees the cold weather. He says, "It is very cold today." He chooses a gray shirt, dark trousers, and a warm coat. Laura sends Nico a message. She writes, "It is very cold today." Nico replies, "Yes, I am wearing a coat." Laura says, "Me too. Stay warm." At the bus stop, Laura feels strong wind. She closes her jacket tightly. She says, "This wind is cold." Nico arrives and says, "Good morning. It is freezing." Laura says, "Yes, very cold morning." They wait together. They talk about clothes again. Laura says, "I like warm clothes." Nico says, "Me too. Jackets and coats are important." They both feel safe in their warm clothes. They go to work together. In the afternoon, the sun comes out. Laura looks outside and says, "It is warmer now." She takes off her jacket. She says, "I do not need my jacket." Nico also takes off his coat. He says, "Yes, it is warm." They meet at lunch. Laura wears a light shirt and jeans. Nico wears a shirt and trousers. Laura says, "I feel better now." Nico says, "Yes, warm afternoon." They eat outside. Laura says, "I like this weather." Nico says, "Me too, not too cold." They talk about clothes again. Laura says, "Morning jacket, afternoon, no jacket." Nico says, "Yes, same for me." They laugh. They enjoy simple life. In the evening, it becomes cold again. Laura puts her jacket on. She says, "Evening is cold." Nico also wears his coat. He says, "Yes, cold again." They travel home together. Laura says, "Today weather changed many times." Nico says, "Yes, morning cold, afternoon warm, evening cold." Laura says, "My clothes helped me all day." Nico says, "Me too." They sit on the bus. They feel tired but comfortable. At home, Laura changes into soft clothes. Nico also changes into home clothes. They both relax and drink tea in their homes. Laura stays home today. She does not go to work. She wakes up slowly and says, "I stay home today." She wears soft home clothes, t-shirt and trousers. Nico also stays home. He wears a simple t-shirt and shorts. They text each other. Laura says, "I am at home." Nico says, "Me too. Home day." Laura cleans her room. Nico cleans his room. They both feel relaxed. They like home clothes more than work clothes today. Today is a sunny day. Laura wakes up in the morning and looks outside her window. She smiles and says, "The weather is nice today." She feels happy because the sun is shining. She opens her wardrobe and thinks about what to wear. She says, "I do not need warm clothes today." Laura chooses a light outfit. She wears a soft white t-shirt and blue jeans. She also wears light sneakers. She looks in the mirror and says, "This is simple and comfortable." At the same time, Nico also wakes up. He sees the sun and says, "It is a warm day." He chooses a simple shirt and light trousers. He does not take a jacket. He says, "Today is good for light clothes." Laura sends Nico a message. She writes, "It is sunny today. I am wearing a t-shirt." "Me too, no jacket today."
Let's meet in the park later.
"Good idea." In the afternoon, Laura goes to the park. She walks slowly and feels the warm air. She says, "I like this weather. It is not cold, not hot."
Nico arrives a few minutes later. He smiles and says, "Nice weather today."
"Yes, perfect for simple clothes."
They sit on a bench and talk. Laura says, "I like t-shirts in warm weather."
"Me too. Jeans and t-shirts are best."
They watch people walking in the park. Some people wear dressers, some wear shorts, some wear sunglasses.
Laura says, "Everyone wears light clothes today."
Yes, summer feeling. They feel relaxed. They enjoy the simple sunny day and their comfortable clothes.
In the evening, the weather starts to change. The wind becomes cooler. Laura feels a little cold and says, "I think I need a jacket."
Nico also feels the change. He says, "Yes, it's getting colder."
Laura opens her bag and takes out a light jacket. She puts it on and says, "Now I feel better."
Nico does the same. He puts on his jacket and says, "This is better." They sit together in the park a little longer. Laura says, "Weather changes fast today."
"Yes, morning warm, evening cool."
Laura smiles and says, "Clothes help us every time."
Nico says, "Yes, jackets are important."
They walk slowly to a small cafe near the park. Laura says, "Let's drink tea."
Nico says, "Good idea."
Inside the cafe, it is warm and quiet. Laura takes off her jacket again. She says, "It is warm inside."
Nico hangs his jacket on a chair and says, "I feel comfortable now."
They drink tea and talk about their day. Laura says, "I like simple clothes because they are easy."
Nico says, "Me too, no stress."
Outside, the evening becomes darker. Laura looks out the window and says, "It is cold outside again."
Nico says, "Good thing we have jackets."
They smile and finish their tea slowly. They feel calm and happy.
Today, Laura and Nico decide to go shopping together. Laura wants a new shirt. Nico wants new trousers.
They meet at a small clothing shop in the city. Laura says, "I like this shop. It has simple clothes."
Nico says, "Yes, not too expensive, not too fancy."
They walk inside. They see many clothes: shirts, t-shirts, jeans, trousers, jackets, and coats.
Laura looks at the shirts and says, "I want something light and soft." She chooses a white shirt and a light blue shirt. She tries them in the fitting room. She looks in the mirror and says, "This one is good. I like it."
Nico looks at trousers. He finds black trousers and gray trousers. He says, "I like simple colors."
He tries them and says, "These are comfortable." Laura comes out and says, "What do you think?"
Nico says, "The white shirt looks very nice."
Laura smiles and says, "I will buy it."
Nico also says, "I will take these trousers."
They go to the cashier. Laura says, "New clothes make me happy."
Nico says, "Yes, new clothes feel fresh."
After shopping, they sit outside the shop. Laura says, "I like shopping with you."
Nico says, "Me too. It is easy and fun."
They both feel happy with their new clothes and simple choices.
The next day, Laura and Nico wear their new clothes. Laura wears her new white shirt and jeans. Nico wears his new black trousers and a gray shirt.
Laura meets them in the morning near the bus stop. Laura smiles and says, "Good morning, Nico. New clothes today."
Nico says, "Yes, I am wearing my new trousers."
Laura says, "I like your new look. Very simple."
Nico replies, "Thank you. I like your shirt too."
They both feel good in their new clothes. They walk together to work.
At work, their colleagues notice their clothes. One colleague says, "Nice shirts."
Laura says, "Thank you."
Nico says, "We bought them yesterday."
During lunch, they sit together. Laura says, "New clothes feel different."
Nico says, "Yes, they feel fresh and clean."
Laura says, "But still simple."
Nico laughs and says, "Simple is best."
They both agree. They enjoy their day in new but comfortable clothes.
In the evening, Laura and Nico go home after work. They are a little tired but happy. Laura says, "Long day today."
Nico says, yes, but good day. They take the bus together. Laura looks outside and says, I like my new shirt.
Nico says, me too. My trousers are very comfortable.
Laura says, we made good choices.
Nico says, yes, simple and good clothes.
When they arrive home, they change into home clothes. Laura wears a soft t-shirt and loose trousers. Nico wears a comfortable t-shirt and shorts. Laura says, home clothes are the best.
Nico agrees, yes, I feel free now.
They both relax. Laura drinks tea. Nico listens to music. Laura says, work clothes are good, but home clothes are better.
Nico says, yes, comfort is everything.
They sit quietly and enjoy the evening. They feel calm, warm, and relaxed in their home clothes. Today is a special day. Laura and Nico are going to a small celebration with friends. Laura wakes up early and says, I want to look nice today. She chooses a light dress. She looks in the mirror and smiles. She says, this dress is beautiful.
Nico also prepares for the event. He wears a clean shirt and dark trousers. He says, I want to look simple but nice.
Laura sends Nico a message. She writes, are you ready? Nico replies, almost ready. What are you wearing? Laura says, I'm wearing a dress.
Nico says, good, I will wear a shirt and trousers.
Before leaving, something small happens. Laura accidentally spills a little coffee on her dress. She looks and says, oh no. She feels worried. She says, my dress is dirty now.
Nico arrives and sees her. He says, don't worry, you can change.
Laura quickly changes into another simple dress. She says, now it is okay.
Nico says, you look nice again.
They go to the event together. Laura feels happy again. She says, I was worried, but now I'm fine.
Nico says, yes, small problems happen.
At the event, they talk with friends and enjoy the evening. Laura says, clothes are important, but comfort is more important.
Nico says, yes, and simple clothes are always good.
They enjoy the special day together. Laura and Nico reflect on their daily life and clothes. They sit together in a cafe after many days of work, weather changes, and simple moments. Laura says, every day I choose different clothes. Shirts, jeans, jackets, dresses.
Nico says, me too. Clothes change with weather and mood.
Laura says, in cold weather, I wear jackets and coats. Nico says, in warm weather, I wear t-shirts and light trousers. They both smile. Laura says, I learned that simple clothes are best for me.
Nico says, yes, comfort is more important than fashion.
They sit quietly for a moment. Laura looks outside and says, I feel happy with my daily life.
Nico replies, me too. Simple A's are good days.
They finish their drinks slowly. Laura says, clothes help us every day, but they do not need to be complicated.
Nico says, yes, just simple and comfortable.
They stand up and prepare to leave. Laura says, I will see you tomorrow. Nico says, see you tomorrow. Thank you for listening to Read, Learn, Listen. Keep practicing your English every day. See you in the next episode.